Hello, welcome back to Appleton Way to do a Productions. Hope you enjoyed the new intro. Anyway, we've got ourselves a busy show coming up. Not just a show, but a talk show. But a talk show that has something to do with animals, I would say. Something that Jim Henson made a while back. That show is called Jim Henson's Animal Show. It stars Stinky and Jake as the hosts. You'll see what I mean when this funny video starts now. This program is made possible by
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, helping kids discover that doing something feels a whole lot better than doing nothing. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
I'm gonna be like an apple tree. I'm gonna let all my branches run free. I'm gonna reach way up to the sun and open my arms for everyone. And like an apple is sweet, I'm gonna be so sweet. And like an apple shines in the sun.
Joy is a gift. This is the box it comes in.
This program is made possible in part by a grant from Juicy Juice. Juicy Juice, 100% juice for 100% kids.
Kitty Academy Child Care Learning Centers, proud supporter of PBS Kids, providing educationally focused child care, preparing children for school and for life. Kitty Academy, community begins here.
This program is also brought to you by the National Science Foundation, where discoveries begin, and a Ready to Learn, No Child Left Behind grant from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service. Additional funding provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, dedicated to strengthening America's future through education, the Rose Hills Foundation, the MetLife Foundation. Funding is also provided by the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation and by
This program was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. You're watching PBS.
Thanks so much for joining us. If you have liked what you saw, please make sure to subscribe to our single animation. And as always, don't forget to turn on notifications bells to anytime I go live or upload a video. Thanks for watching. Come back and see us again in our next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.